Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Smart Finance Hub, your go-to channel for all things money smart. If you've ever dreamed of achieving financial freedom, you're in the right place. Today, we've got something special for you. Want to achieve financial freedom? Follow these legit ways to make passive income. So grab your favorite snack, kick back, and let's dive right in. But before we get started, if you haven't already, make sure to smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. We're dropping financial wisdom every week that you don't want to miss. Now let's dive into the video. Number 1. Amazon. Amazon is the world's largest online marketplace, and that means billions of customers. You can tap into this massive audience to sell products and earn big bucks. First things first, you'll need to find the right products to sell. Look for items with high demand, low competition, and healthy profit margins. You can even use tools like Amazon's bestsellers list or third-party software to help you find these golden nuggets. Now, there are a couple of ways to sell on Amazon. You can become a seller through Fulfillment by Amazon or FBA, where Amazon handles shipping, customer service, and returns. Or you can do it yourself, Fulfillment by Merchant or FBM, which requires more work but offers higher profit margins. To turn this into passive income, you can automate your business. Use software for inventory management, monitor your sales regularly, and reinvest your profits into more products or marketing. In a nutshell, Amazon is a legitimate way to make money online. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with dedication and smart strategies, you can build a reliable source of passive income. Number 2. YouTube. So why YouTube? Well, it's super accessible. All you need is a camera or even just your smartphone. Share your passions, knowledge, or creativity and you're good to go. One of the easiest ways to make money on YouTube is through ads. When your videos get views, ads play, and you earn a slice of the pie. It's like getting paid for doing what you love. Beyond ads, there are sponsorships and affiliate marketing. Brands pay you to promote their products or services, and you earn a commission for every sale you drive. Win-win! The beauty of YouTube: once your videos are up, they work for you 24/7. Even while you sleep, your content can keep making money. That's the essence of passive income. So if you're passionate about something, why not give it a shot? Start today, and who knows where your YouTube journey will take you. Number 3. Upwork.com. Upwork is like an online job bazaar where you can find all sorts of freelance gigs. Whether you're a writer, designer, coder, or have any marketable skill, there's a place for you here. Now you might be wondering, is this for real? Absolutely. Upwork is trusted by millions of users worldwide. They've got a secure payment system, and you can read reviews to find reputable clients. No scam here. Here's the kicker: Upwork can be a source of passive income. Once you build a solid client base, they might keep coming back for more of your work. That means a steady stream of cash without constantly hunting for new gigs. So if you're looking to make money online in a legitimate way and maybe even earn some passive income, Upwork.com is where it's at. Sign up, showcase your skills, and start earning today. It's that simple. Number 4. ClickBank. ClickBank is a legit platform where you can earn some serious passive income online. It's like an online marketplace where you can find products in various niches, from health and fitness to digital marketing. The best part: you don't need to create your own products. You can promote ones that are already successful. Here's the deal: you sign up as an affiliate, choose a product you believe in, and start promoting it through your unique affiliate link. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission, and it can be hefty. Plus, ClickBank handles all the payment processing, so no worries there. To succeed, research hot products, build a website or use social media, and create killer content to attract buyers. It takes effort, but over time, your earnings can become passive as your content works for you 24/7. Number 5. Flippa.com. You might be thinking right now, what in the world is Flippa? Well, it's a fantastic online platform where you can buy and sell websites, apps, and online businesses. Yep, you heard me right. Actual websites and businesses. Here's the scoop. You can either create and sell your own online business or invest in existing ones. It's like buying and selling real estate, but in the digital world. You can find websites or apps that are already making money and watch the cash flow in while you sip your morning coffee. Once you've got a site or business up and running, you can sit back and let it generate income for you 24/7. It's like having a money-making machine that works while you sleep. Number 6. Shutterstock. Shutterstock is a massive online platform where you can sell your photos, videos, illustrations, and even music. Yep, your creative talents can turn into cold hard cash. They've been around for years with millions of users and customers worldwide. You upload your content, and when people download it, you get paid. It's that simple. Plus, they handle all the legal stuff, so you don't have to worry about copyrights and licenses. The greatest thing is that it's a sweet source of passive income. Once your content is up there, it keeps earning money for you while you sleep, sip on your coffee, or binge watch your favorite shows. To get started, all you need is a camera or some creative software. Create high-quality content, upload it, and let the world discover your talent. Number 7. Rover. If you're a dog lover, this is your ticket to earning money while hanging out with adorable fur balls. Rover connects pet owners with pet sitters, walkers, and boarders. Getting started is a piece of cake. Just sign up, create your profile, and start offering your services. Plus, Rover provides insurance coverage and 24/7 support for added peace of mind. And it's super flexible. You decide when and how you work. Wanna board dogs during weekends or walk pups after your 9-to-5 job? You're in control. Number 8. TakeLessons.com. So what makes TakeLessons.com the real deal? Well, first off, it's super easy to get started. If you have a skill or talent, like playing an instrument, speaking a foreign language, or even teaching math, you can sign up as an instructor. No degrees or fancy qualifications required. Plus, it's not just about earning a few bucks here and there. With TakeLessons.com, you can set your own rates, choose your hours, and even teach from the comfort of your home. This means you can create a steady stream of passive income while doing what you love. Getting started is a breeze. Just sign up, create a killer profile, and watch the students roll in. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can start making money. Number 9. Fiverr. It's a platform where you can offer your skills and services to a global audience. Whether you're good at graphic design, writing, coding, or even doing voiceovers, there's a gig for everyone. And guess what? You don't need to be a pro to start. Just be good at what you do. Fiverr is a reputable platform with millions of users. You'll find real clients who pay for your work. Plus, Fiverr handles payments securely, so you don't have to worry about getting scammed. But here's the icing on the cake: passive income. Once you've built a solid reputation and a portfolio of happy clients, you can start getting repeat orders and even referrals. That means money rolling in while you sleep. Number 10. Drop shipping. It's a simple online business model where you sell products without actually having to stock inventory. You partner up with suppliers who handle all the nitty-gritty stuff like storing, packing, and shipping the products. so you don't need to invest in a warehouse or handle any physical products yourself. Now here's why drop shipping is the real deal. It's super low risk because you only buy the product when you make a sale. No need to buy loads of stuff upfront. Plus, you can sell a wide variety of products without worrying about overstock. Your online store is open 24/7, which means money can roll in while you're sleeping or sipping cocktails on the beach. Sounds pretty passive, right? Getting started is a piece of cake. You need a laptop, an internet connection, and a bit of know-how. Choose a niche you're passionate about, set up an online store, and start promoting your products. There are plenty of platforms and tools to help you out, like Shopify or WooCommerce. And there you have it, folks. Those were some legit ways to make passive income and take steps toward financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps us out. Have more finance-related questions or want to see more money-making tips? Hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update from the Smart Finance Hub. And as always, drop your thoughts, questions, or your own success stories in the comments below. We love hearing from our amazing community of smart money makers. Until next time, keep hustling, keep saving, and keep building that path to financial freedom. Thanks for watching.